Ohun tó bá dára ni màá rà fọ́mọ mi. Aṣọ tó bá dára lèmi á rà fọ́mọ mi. Ìwà tó bá dára ni màá fi kọ́mọ mi. Ẹ̀kọ́ tó bá dára ni màá fi kọ́mọ mi. Tábalógun ẹrú ṣẹ́ tara wọ̀fà ọgbọ̀n. Ọjọ́ tá a bá kú ọmọ ládélé. Bàbá lókè jẹ́ kọ́mọ wa wọlédè wa nítorí ọmọ láṣọ láyé, ọmọ láṣọ, ọmọ láṣọ láyé, ọmọ láṣọ. Welcome, welcome, welcome again to another beautiful session of Aunty Funmi Counseling Clinic. I'm sure we're good out there, keeping safe and staying at home. Please, let's still remain at home. The Lord shall heal our nation. He shall heal the world at large in the name of Jesus. Don't forget the social distancing as recommended by the medical experts and by the government. It is also very important that we use our hand sanitizer. The Lord will heal us. We will not partake of any form of affliction in the name of Jesus. I welcome you again into this beautiful counseling session. And please, as we continue watching, don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to share with your friends. Today, we're going to be talking about teenagers and peer group influence on their way of life. Who actually is a teenager? A teenager is an individual that falls within the age range of 13 and 19. Some people prefer to call them teens. And why do we call them teens? If you look at the way we spell 13 through 19, you will discover that the last three letters is T double E N, teen. That's why some people refer to them as teens. Some even call them adolescents. Why? Because adolescent stage is a period of life where one experiences some level of physical and psychological changes, and most of these changes occurs during the teens period. So that is why we can either call them teenager or adolescent. In fact, the two words can be used interchangeably. But for the purpose of this counseling session, we'll be making use of the word teenager. Aside from this age classification, how can we actually know that my Shade that is 13, my BC that is now 15, the tall and huge Samuel that is now 18 is now a teenager? How can we identify them easily? One, if you observe this set of individuals, at this stage of their life, they don't like being called a child. They behave like an adult. They believe they are now grown up. And as a result, they want to try their hands on some of the adult roles rather. And this is why you will park your car, ask them to go and clean it. The next thing you will see is that they are trying to try their hand. They want to try their hand on the steering. They want to try driving. They believe they are grown up. They believe they can do some of the things that adults are doing, not minding the repercussion. This set of people also, this set of young adults, better put, they also tend to be rebellious at this stage of their life. They want to question adult authority, try them to do some things, try them to dress in a particular way. They want to ask you question. Why can't I have it my own way? Why do I have to do it this way? We have to be very careful with them at this stage of their life. Actually, it's a conflicting stage of life. We have to handle them with love, because if we don't handle them well, it's they might not actually enjoy this stage of their growth. Adolescent and teenager, as we said, we are going to be using them interchangeably. They also love keeping more time with their friends. They want to spend more time with their friends instead of staying at home. And this is why I said we have to be very careful on the influence of this kind of friendship, the peer group influence on them. We need to find a way of drawing them more to ourselves, because it's when they spend more time with us, that is when we can easily curb their excesses. This is when we can easily put them on the right track. So how do we go about doing this? As a parent and as a guardian, it is very, very important for us, in order not to allow negative peer influence in the lives of our children. It is very important for us to create a kind of enabling home environment. Let's create a happy a conducive and a lively home environment for them. Don't let our home environment be too tensed for them. If the home is too tense, they will want to seek for any available opportunity to run to their friends. And most of these their friends, they also don't know. They don't know much. They are still growing, and if we allow this, they will. There's every likelihood that they will be negatively influenced if they don't get the kind of counseling, the kind of orientation they deserve at this period of their life. So please, let's endeavor to create a happy, a lively, and a conducive home environment for our teenagers as they grow. As a parent, as a guardian, it is also very important that we relate with our young adults as friends. Let's extend some level of hand of friendship to them. It's not all the time that we want to shout at them. It's not all the time that you want to correct them by beating, by scolding. No. Let's relate with them as friends. Let them know that we are their friends. If you show friendship, if you show some level of friendship to your young adults, to your teenagers, believe me, they will want to confide in you. They will see you as their confidant. And it's only when they confide in us that we can put them right on some of their wrongdoings. It's only when they confide in us that we can tell them this is good, this is not good enough. So please, let's see them as our friend. Let's create a kind of enabling environment for them that they'll be able to confide in us. It is also very important that we build some level of trust in them. Not just building this level of trust, but let them know that we have some level of trust in them. If they are aware that their parents have some level of trust in them, you can be rest assured that they will be well guided outside. They won't want to betray this trust. They will always want to strive to become a good ambassador of their family. So as we create a kind of confidence in them that we are their confidant, let them also know that we have some level of trust in them. This will guide them when they are relating with our friends outside the home. It is also important that as a mother, as a father, as a guardian, we present ourselves to them as a good role model. We don't want our child to lie. Don't lie. We don't want them to keep late outside with friends. As a parent, ensure you return back home on time. We want them to dress well. Let's dress well before them. Let's present ourselves the way we want them to be later in life. You want your children to cultivate a reading habit. Whenever they are reading and you are at home, pick a book, sit down with them and read along with them too. If we present ourselves to them as a good role model, they will want to behave the way we behave. You don't want them to use vulgar language on their friends. Don't use it on them. Don't use it on your spouses. Don't use it on your neighbors, no matter the level of provocation. Please behave the way we want them to behave. And the Lord will help us to be a good role model unto our children. Don't forget, their friends out there, don't just watch this. Please press the like button, subscribe, and share with your friend. Don't forget that subscribing to a program doesn't cost you anything. It's at a no cost. Please subscribe to this. We are in it together, like I told you. Together, we will mold the life of our children positively. Together, they will be that responsible young adults we want them to be. It is also very important as a parent, in order to avoid our children from being negatively influenced by friends outside. Let's do a kind of secret check on the kind of friend our children keep. Yorùbá sọ wípé ẹgbẹ́ búburú ba ìwà rere jẹ́. Bíbélì pàápàá sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ wípé ẹgbẹ́ búburú ó ba ìwà rere jẹ́. Let's know the kind of friend our children are keeping. If we do a secret check on them, we know the kind of behavior they have. We know the kind of home they come from. This will enables us to give an approval or disapproval to them as friends to our children. Ẹ jẹ́ ká mọrú àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ tọ́mọ wa ń bá rìn, ọmọ wa ò ní kẹ́gbẹ́kẹ́gbẹ́ lórúkọ Jésù. It is also very important for us to lead them unto the Lord. Let's lead our children unto the Lord. You are going to church, don't leave your teenagers behind. Má sọ wípé wọ́n ti ń dàgbà, eléyìí ti ń dàgbà tí mo bá sọ fún kò ní gbọ́, ó lè lóun fẹ́ ṣe. No, when you are going to church, take your children along with you. You are going to mosque to pray, take your children along with you. Bíbélì ní tọ́ ọmọ rẹ ní ọ̀nà tí ó tọ́, tó bá dàgbà tán kò ní kúrò níbẹ̀, kò ní kúrò lọ́nà náà. I'm sure the Quran also supports this. Please, let's lead our children unto the Lord. Tá a bá kó àwọn ọmọ wa, if we draw them to ourselves, if we see them as friends, if we present ourselves as a good role model to them, definitely they won't go and stay outside. They won't prefer staying outside than staying with them. And as a result, if they stay more at home, they stay more with us, they won't be negatively influenced with friends. Ọlọ́run máa kọ́ wa bá ṣe máa tọ́ àwọn ọmọ náà. Àwọn ọmọ wa ò ní yọ ọmọ bẹ́lẹ̀ àlè. Thank you for listening again. This is Aunty Funmi. Please don't forget, if you have any issue you want us to discuss, I'm always available. Link up with me here, and you can also link up with me on my Facebook, Adenike Funmilayo. You can also link up with me on my email, all small cap, ABIKSALAYO @gmail.com, abixalayo@gmail.com. You can also send a message to me through this. Don't forget, whatever you discuss with me, like I said the other time, is going to be kept secretly. There's the principle of confidentiality still abound. Whatever you discuss with me, we are going to handle it secretly. And I can give you the assurance that with God on our side, the solution to that issue, the solution to such a problem will be sought. So please don't hesitate to link up with me. I am your friend. I am your counselor. We are in this together, and I believe that together our children shall become that responsible, that successful young adult that we dream of. Adara Funwa, it is well with you. Thank you for listening. Don't forget, dear friends, like, subscribe, and share. And bye for now. Thank you. I love you all. Bye.